Hi, it's the evening, but I need a potato for my recipe. And I don't have any, so let's see whether um, my potato that I haven't harvested, whether it's still okay in winter. So today is like the 7th of January and it's frosty, so let's go and check it out. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. Don't forget to click like and press the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So here it is. I didn't intend to harvest it now. I thought it will be maybe towards the end of the month, but then I need some, so let's see. I've put some let's see whether we have any. Oh gosh, let me check. So let's try and remove some of the topsoil. Oh, I can see one. Yep, I can see one. I only need one for my recipe. That's enough, but let me see if there's more. It's a very... Oh, there's another one. Okay, there's another one. Okay. So it can still... you can keep it for winter and you don't harvest it. And it still stays nice. I mean, it's insulated by the soil. Oh, that's not bad. I only planted 1 or 2 plants. Let me see. Okay, there's one small one. Let's stop here and see. It's getting dark and I've removed most of the soil. Let's see what we have. There's a tiny one. There's one here. I think there's one more. Okay, this is the harvest from my sort of grow bag. I need one potato urgently, so this is my harvest. So the moral of the story is that you can harvest potato in the winter. You can keep it in the pot or in the grounds and cover it up, and you can harvest it as and when you want, so it still be fresh. Good to know. There you are. These are the potatoes harvested in winter, and I've got quite a number, so I can use it for my gado-gado. I only need one, so we'll see how it goes. I'm so happy. I'm quite happy with the harvest. I've got potatoes in winter. Ta-da! Ta-da! Potatoes in the winter. The reason why I left it in over the winter is because I saw a TV show that those potato growers actually harvest them, some of the potatoes in winter, and they cover the potato fields with a sort of a covering, a mat or whatever, and they harvest in winter so they can get fresh potatoes. So this is my fresh potato in winter, and I've still got 1 pot left, so I'll try it later on, maybe the next time when I need it. Bye then. So we learn something new every day. Bye. Loretta here, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and in every video I will show you something related to food and what I do with food and my life. So don't forget to click like, the subscribe button, so that you can be informed of all the recipes that I post online and all the videos that I post online.